I'm getting a lift up to site 2 in the Shunters truck this morning. Oh, you bugger. My lorry's over at the next site, so I said, ask the shunter to take you up. Just gonna go and drop that one off, and then he'll pick me up. Am I driving? Ooh, it's warm in here. Put my bag down there. Where do I stand? Just there. I've never been in a Shunters lorry before. Is this your aircon?
Sitting here and this is aircon, yeah.
No mucking about. So we've made it to Goldthorpe and we're just waiting for Mr. Eddie to get off the bay and then I can get onto that one. We'll get this unloaded. It's now 7:50. Look at the sun at the back there, it's beautiful.